Malak has blocked the entrance. I don't think he likes you very much. You'll need inhuman speed to get past that barrier. Good thing I'm here to help, huh? Go to the ring altar. I can unlock the power to boost your speed for brief periods of time. Use it wisely, and don't thank me. We'll work that out. Don't you ever miss your school days? After all, it was the last time you were innocent.
I heard we might be getting a new student here soon. So I put together this little welcoming party for you. It's really nice to have someone new to play with. Don't tell the others, but they've been getting pretty boring lately. But you'll spice things up around here, won't you? You can share everything with me. All your secrets, all your mistakes, all your pain. That's what best friends are for, right?
Looks like school is back in session.
Here I come!
There it is. The ring altar will always be found at the heart of each nightmare.
What's the matter? Not having fun yet? You're annoying.
all of the shards here.
I heard that!
But it's only half. The ring barrier is still active. There must be more in another part of the school. Hurry and find the next zone.
What? I heard that! Aw, you took all my friends. Well, it's been a while since I got to play with anyone this long. But I can't play around with you anymore. Now, I'll show you what I can really do. You're not. Here I
Don't be scared. Agatha just likes to play a little rough.
It's cheating! Don't worry, it'll only hurt.
Girls just want to have fun. Killing you.
You smell like those monkeys. You smell like those monkeys. You smell like those monkeys. I found you. You're naughty. I heard that! I found you.
Agatha wants to play doctor. Too bad she's all out of anesthetic.
You smell like those. I found you. No fair!
before Agatha gets you.
But you don't care! You don't want to be my friend! You just want to steal my thing! You're a mean, bad person! Now you're in trouble. You made Daddy mad, too.
End of the road, mortal.
Give that back to me, mortal.
You're very smart.
You fool! You triggered it! You're not very good with children, are you?
You're very smart, monkey.
You fool! You triggered it!
I won't let you take my friends from me!
2 down, 7 more to go. One to try for another.